Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do a look. I want to play with this new Juvia's Place palette. It's the candy shop. So if you want to see what look I create with this baby, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Love is like a roller coaster, but I'm trying to hold on. I don't want it to stop.
Okay, so I don't have a really dark shape which I want. So I'm gonna go. I'm still gonna go in here first. Let's see. So this is oh, I don't know if this is gonna blend. This is an M518 from Morphe, and I think I'm gonna go in. Are there names on the? Nope, no names. So I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here. And then I'm just gonna put it right here. This is gonna be my transition shade. You know, we're in spring, so we're springing it up a little bit. A little bit. Yeah, I think this is fine. But I do want something a little bit darker. I think I'm gonna go into this Artistry palette. This is not gonna be the main focus, but I do need just a little shade 22 maybe. And this is on a Y210. I just put like a little, you know, like darken up like right here. And I'm just tamping to give me, you know, a little blend. Like so. I don't want anything insane there. Oh god, my face is so dry. And then I need a little bit of glitter glue, just a little bit. Just a little bit. And then I'm gonna use this Y209, and we're gonna go back to that candy shop palette. And I'm thinking this shade right here is really talking to me. Again, these shades don't have names, so I'm gonna put that in my inner corner right here. Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty. I'm choking. So this gives you like a shift. It's like a purple, and then depending on how you watch it, it's like a silver, and then it's like a blue. It has a lot going on. It's pretty though. That's pretty. Now I'm gonna take this M506, and I think I'm gonna go into this shade. I hate that it doesn't have names. This shade right here, and I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit, like right here. Okay, perfect. That's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and time to talk about this foundation. So today we're gonna talk about this, you know, this shade. We'll see, but it is the Jaclyn Hill Skin Perfecting Blurring Tint. So let's go ahead and pump out. So it looks like this. Oh my god, this looks like. So coverage is not gonna be it. I can already say that because, but with this I understand if it doesn't really have coverage like that, because it's not really a foundation, you know. Some days full bit, today maybe not. And then we're using our one size. I don't know, I want like a little stumpy brush, I guess. This is from Ruce and it is the LR Kabuki brush. Put it in there. And then we're gonna go into Makeup by Mario. This is pretty much done. That's why I'm like, I have to use it with a brush.
Love is like a roller coaster, but I'm trying to hold on. I don't want it to stop. Even though we fight sometimes and it feels like
bring this up.
I still care about us. How do you move on when everything goes wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get
this here. I don't know what I feel about it. I'm not like, I don't really like blonde wigs, so this K, well, I bought it already like kind of bleached or colored or whatever they do to it. I think they like just bleached it, but it was like a weird, I don't know. So I didn't bleach it or color it or do anything like this. I just used my purple shampoo and I just shampoo it and I put it to like kind of stay for like a couple hours, and then when I went back, that's what I got. So I'm like, oh, that's not too bad, not too bad at all. This is not foundation, concealer. It's, you have to be real careful with it because it can get dry like real fast. So perfect. Now to set under the eye, I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury first, and then so this is just a setting powder, and I don't really use it to bake. I just set literally, but I just use a really light shade. Like I use one, like so. And I'm gonna use Banana Bread from Huda. And then I'm just putting this everywhere I put the concealer, or not in my brow, but I almost feel like my face needed this skin tint because my face was dry. My face was dry. And I don't know where I put my blush, my foundation brush. Man, I did a 15-minute video the other day, and I think when I was doing it, I literally just threw everything everywhere. I know I can't find anything. So I'm gonna use my foundation brush from Luxie 734. I'm gonna use this. This is actually needs to sharpen. I think I need to just come in here and just sharpen like all my eye pencils and all my, because this gonna, you know, jack up my eye. We're gonna take this blush, which is a P105 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo, and I'm just gonna go. I think the shade that I use like right here, I'm gonna use that to buff it up. Should I? Let's see. Let me see how this looks real quick. Ooh. Girl, what if I put it upside down? I'll be scaring myself. Oh, this is fine. So this is the shade I use to kind of blend the shimmer to that or the V shade. Okay, and then I need to dust this off. Just to, you know, make everything look nice. And let's see what we're gonna put in my inner corner, maybe. Let's use this shade, and I'm just gonna put it in my inner corner. Okay, this is very chunky. Very, very chunky. Okay, that is perfect. 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 Now let us bronze the face. I'm gonna use this. This is from the name I come in, ABH. Then just bring that up. Chisel the cheeks to hide the extra, you know, chicken wing that you just had. You know, 'cause sometimes you just gotta hide that extra, you know, chicken. Or in my case, maybe some fried fish. I love me some seafood. I think this is great. And then this is from, oh, this is from Sigma. It's an F50, and we're gonna use that to do our, you know, situation. Actually, I don't want this because my eye look kind of orangey. Actually, it is orange. So let's use this from One Size. It is Chick Clapper Fire Starter. And we're gonna use this shade. Then you just blend this with your bronzer. And let's go in with this. This is from Rare Beauty, and then it is Flaunt. Like so. And this is a what? This is a Eventail 65 brush from Sephora. Okay. Now let's find a lippy. Let's Morphe it up. Ooh, this is hot, but that's what we're gonna do. I just need something to line my lip real quick. Okay, so we're gonna use number 21 from YSL. I'm watching this because I need to keep an eye on the time. So now we're gonna go into Fenty. First, I'm gonna go into the MVP. The MVP. Oh, girl. And then I'm gonna go in with Riri. I think I'm I'm just gonna put just a little bit of this in the center, like right here. Okay, so that's it, guys. You know, for this video, I had fun. Didn't you have fun? What are you waiting for? Subscribe and join the family. And you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
Find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me.